IBN 7 हौसला है।
और अब आइए आपको दिखाते हैं देश के सर्वश्रेष्ठ बिजनेस न्यूज चैनल CNBC TV 18 ने कैसे न केवल शानदार 15 साल का सफर पूरा किया है, लेकिन आप ये जो विजुअल्स देख रहे हैं, इसमें देख रहे हैं कैसे इंतजार हो रहा है न्यूज रूम में। CNBC TV 18 के न्यूज रूम में NSE और BSE की बेल वहां पर बस किसी भी वक्त बजने वाली है। पहले देखते हैं वहां इस बार क्या हो रहा है। यह इतिहास में पहली बार होगा जब ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग बेल एक्सचेंज के बाहर बजेगी। ठीक 9:12 पर ओपनिंग बेल बजेगी। इस मौके पर NSE के चीफ चित्रा रामकृष्णा के अलावा बिजनेस सेक्टर के तमाम दिग्गज मौजूद रहेंगे। आपको ये भी बता दें, क्लोजिंग बेल शाम 3:30 पर CNBC TV 18 के न्यूज रूम में बजेगी।
You're watching Opening Bell here on Bazaar on CNBC TV 18. As you can see, the celebration, the party has already started as we celebrate 15 years of CNBC TV 18. Let me start by talking to our guests and then I'll come to family. Ramesh Damani, 15 years. Well, their family as well, but guests for today. Ramesh Damani, 15 years. In 15 seconds, the biggest highlight for you.
India is a land of great opportunities, and the stock market and CNBC have reflected it over the last 15 years.
Atul Suri, 15 years, what does it mean to you?
It's been a long journey, right from my days in broking when I used to come to the studio at Rocondo House to hear the transition, the anchors. It's been great. It's been a fantastic last 15 years in the markets with CNBC. See you 15 years hence.
Thank you very much. Our CEO, Anil Unyal. So no budgets starting now. We can spend as much as we like.
As much as you can. It's your birthday today, girl.
As much as we like. Okay, let me come across to Senthil, Menka, Chitra and Lata. Chitra, 15 years. I know we've talked about where the Nifty was and where it is today, but what has the 15-year journey meant to you?
15 years of creating new markets for all of us. That's what I just told her, that creating markets, creating information, transparency, taking markets to the doorstep of investors. That's what it is.
Okay. Lata, 15 years, what does it mean to you? Your happiest moment?
Not happiest, but 15 years, it's almost welded into our blood. Early morning, the first thing I do is to watch CNBC.
How do you manage to wear a sari every morning, Lata, and look as elegant as you do every morning on opening bell?
I took tuitions from you, Shiri.
That's not true. M, the happiest moment of being here?
Well, it's incredible. We've survived so much. We've covered so much. Markets, floods, terrorist attacks. I mean, you know, you throw it at us and we've done it all. And it's incredible for the entire team here today.
The mentor to all of us, Senthil Chengalvarayan, sir, thank you very much for being our shoulder for all these years. And, you know, yeah, 10 seconds. 10 seconds, sir,
incredible journey, incredible time to be in India. And the most incredible people that I've worked with and I've associated with, Ramesh, Chitra, all of you. I mean, it's been an incredible journey, Shireen. Thank you. Thank you guys so much.
All right, guys, countdown. 20, 19, 18, 16, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so the confetti is all over our faces. Let me go across to the younger lot. Anuj, now our market face. what has this journey been to you? I know you joined us as an intern. I remember interviewing you then. So what has this journey meant to you?
Well, first of all, thanks for calling me youngsters. So, Lata keeps calling me veteran, so good to hear, being called. But, really, I joined 13 years back as an intern, and
we didn't pay him then.
Yeah.
We didn't pay him then. I remember that.
Yeah. No, I remember Senthil told me that, look, we won't pay you, and you'll learn a lot, and along the way, rewards will come. But rewards have come.
The rewards have come.
Shireen, actually looks like the markets themselves have paused to let us celebrate. The Nifty and the Sensex have done nothing, 0.04%.
You mean they're actually all watching us?
Yeah, they're all watching us. Everyone stopped trade watching us. Absolutely. Well, I walked into CNBC TV 18 on the 7th of December 15 years ago, and there was a party on then, and there is a party on today as well.
There's a real party. As poised then as you are today.